folks, it's me again. Anyway, it's me again. Why do I got gloves on? Because this is another video that I'm making for later on, but I already made I made a weekly update video, so now I'm doing the normal video that I'm making. This is what I got. 3/8 inch thick steel plate that's 14 by 14 inches. I'm round the edges off. Got to figure out how to make a stand for it. I got to find some scrap little metal pieces, and I want to make a little stand. This might be a little overkill. 3/8 of an inch might be. I probably should have went with 1/4 inch, but maybe I'll go back and see if Dude will sell me a 1/4 inch. Even a 1/8 inch would be good, but this is nice, and I might cut it down to about maybe 10 inches. But I don't know. I like this big. I have to figure it out. I'm probably going to make a little wooden mock-up to see, or I'll just use a piece of wood. And I'm thinking, since I have these peg holes in my bench, and I got my drill back, I might drill another. I might make a stand for it, and then drill some 5/8 inch holes and make little 5/8 of an inch pegs. So I can just put it on here and maybe thread the hole and just bolt it on. So I have a place to put it. I can use it, and I can take it off the thing. So that's what I got today. There's not much going on today. A little short video. I will, when it gets a little warmer in a couple of days, I'm going to clean this, round this off, and start working on that. I am going to work on the other video in a minute. So stay tuned and keep watching. I got all kinds of weird stuff I'm doing. A lot of, thing is I should probably say in this video, I do a lot of stuff that's like different, because while I'm waiting for a machinist thing, and I probably said this before, while I'm waiting for my Kurt vise that was lost by the UPS, I'll do something else. My wife wants a bench, so I'll work on the bench, and I'll do a little bit here. It's too cold right now to, like, using power tools right now is like, okay, if it's -4, you'll end up with a wind chill factor of like -20 with the freaking air tools. So, you know, maybe and then in the spring, I'm gonna put plastic on the ceiling and start putting plywood on the ceiling, because this whole like pandemic made the price of plywood go through the roof. It would have cost me like $2,000 to do a $500 freaking, not even 500 bucks, probably less than that ceiling. So anyway, that's what I got today. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.